This is for anyone who owns a 2006 to 2013 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso and you're having issues with the windshield water draining out of the inside of the drain system, and you're getting water inside your floorboard somewhere. I live in the beautiful city of Sarajevo, Bosnia. There it is. I just got done fixing mine, and as you can see, I took off the wheel. This is the driver's side. The water was accumulating on my passenger side. And what we had to do was we took off the wheel, and once we took it off, right here behind the plastic casing of the wheel well, so I took off a helpful hint. These clips, easiest to take off with pliers pulling straight out. And once you get off these 4 clips, you can pull just this half of the wheel well out of the way, and right here to the right of the shock absorber, you're gonna find a square-shaped valve, and mine was full of all that dirt you see over there on the ground. It's kind of everywhere. So hopefully this helps someone. It's super easy. There's actually a flap valve, a flap over the valve that was holding a lot of dirt and smut, and once you get that cleaned out, water comes gushing out and you're all good. Hope that helps.